kids are at risk for contracting meningococcal meningitis. It's a rare but life-threatening contagious disease that can potentially be spread by sharing drinks, kissing, or just being in close contact. Help keep these times the best times. If your child is 11 to 18, ask their doctor about ways to help prevent meningitis. For more information, visit fightmeningitis.com.
Well, first of all, they're not all the same. Like finding a really good man, it's like finding a really good bra. Sometimes you get those ugly little lines that dig in like,
The Playtex ATL Comfort Lace Bra.
Finally, a comfortable, supportive bra that's actually pretty.
As Chief Family Officer, Kate Goslin has 8